Good morning, dears. Though we have completed up to question number 7 from exercise 4a, but there were some doubts asked in the comment box. So we'll be first clearing the doubt. First doubt was question number 2, 4. The question is minus 14 by 11 whole cube into 1 by minus 7 to the power 4. Is it? So what we are going to do, we are going to have to evaluate it. So I'll be writing minus 14 into by 11, minus 14 by 11, minus 14 by 11, minus 14 by 11 into 1 by 7 into, sorry, this is 3 time only, into 1 by 7 minus 7 into 1 by minus 7 into 1 by minus 7 and into 1 by minus 7. Is it? Now 7 2s are 14, again minus 7 minus 14, so 2s are again minus 7 minus 14, so 2s are. So up I am left with 2 into 2 into 2, and down I am left with 11 into 11 into 11 into 7 into minus 7. Is it? So that gives you 8 by 9,317, that is minus, so it will be minus 8 by 9,317. Cube of 11 is 1,331 into 7. Is it? So that I have written here. So write it. This is question number 2, 4. The next doubt was asked, that is question number 3, 4. Write this and I will be explaining question number 3, 4. Here you have to express an exponential form. This is done. Look at question number 3, 4. It is minus 20736 by 28561. Is it? So we'll get the prime factor of 20736. 2 10s are 3s are 6, 6s are 12, 8s are 16, 5s are 1, 8s are 16, 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10, 9s are 18, 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 4s are 8, 8s are 16, 3s are 6, 2s are 4, 4s are 8, 1s are 6 are 2s are 81, 3 27, 3 9, 3 3, and this we get 28561. This the 13 only it will go. 13 2s are 13 1s are 39s are 30. Now what can we see here? 3 we have 4 and 2 we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Is it? So we are getting 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 4 by 13 to the power 4, and there is a minus sign because the powers are even, so I'll be writing minus sign. Now what we can write, this 2 to the power 8 could be written as 4 to the power 4. Is it? And 3 to the power 4 is 3 to the power 4 by 13 to the power 4. This is one option. Then we will write 12 to the power 4. This is one. Or the second, though there are 4, 13 to the power 4. Denominator is 13 to the power 4. So here we have to make a group of 4. There are 4 3s, there are 4 2s, and there are 4 2s. So the product of one group, two group, and three groups. So the product of this three group will be into 2 into 3 to the power 4 I can write. Or it gives you 12 by 13 to the power 4, and there was a minus sign because there is a minus. So I cannot include it here because the power is even. Once the power is even, product will come positive. So what we'll do, we'll write minus apart from this exponential form. So this will be the answer. Why I have done, again I am saying you, though the 13 were in the group of 4. So here I have to make the numbers in a group of 4. So this one group, 2 group, 3 group. So product of this 3 group is 12. So 12 to the power 4 will give you this. This is writing in exponential form. Now question number 3, 5. Also it was asked as a, so when you get to the prime factors, you'll get it is a square of 51 by 78. 3 is 5 is a square of 51 by 78. When you find the prime factors, you'll get it. Is it? So that you find prime factor and write it. Okay. Now, next, we have completed up to 7. So we'll be solving question number 8. Here, we have to write 4096 as a power of 2. So what we are going to do? We are going to get the prime factors of 4096. Look at question number 8a. 4096 as a power of 2. Is it? Now this 4096 will get the prime factors. 2 2s are 4s are 8, 1024, 512, 256, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what we can write it? 46096 is equal to 2 to the power 12. Is it? If we multiply 2 12 times, how it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this will be 2 to the power 12. Okay. In this way, we have to do question number 8. You can see number 3 also I am doing it. It is given 2,62,144 as a power of 4. Number 3. 2,62,144 as power of 4. 2, 6 to 144. We'll start with 4 only. 4 6 are 24. 2 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24. Again 4 1s are 4. See, you can break it with 2. You will ask me, ma'am, why are you starting with 4? Because they have asked in the power of 4. So we are doing with 4. 4 1s are 4. 2 6 4 6 are 24. 1 4 3s are 12. 3 4 7s are 20. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 0. 4 9s are 36. 4 6s are 24. 4 10s are 40. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 2 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 4s are 16. 4 16s are 4 4s. Is it? If you multiply with 2, if you factorize it with 2, so you will have 2 into 2 into 2, this double of this. So 2,62,144 as a power of 4 they have asked, so I have break it with the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will be 4 to the power 9. Okay, in this way we solve question number 8. There is no doubt, I feel. Now, here it is given question number 9. If 16 plus 125 is equal to x square plus y square, find the value of x and y. Now, first of all, what will be the value of x and y here? See, it is given 9 number. Given 16 plus 125 is equal to x square plus y cube. What do we know? This 16 is a square of 4. I can write 16 as 4 square. And 125 I can write as a cube of 5. Is a cube of 5 is equal to x square plus y cube. Is it? The 16 is broken in the term of x, in the term of square, and 125 is broken in the term of cube. So that's what only from here only we can write x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. This is found. This is the number 1. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Number 2, they have asked you x cube y square. X cube plus y square. X we have got 4 cube plus y square is 5 square. So 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64 plus 25. Answer will be 89. Is it? Similarly, the next one is x plus y whole square. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 5. So 4 plus 5 would be 9 and the square of 4 plus 5 will be, what will be the square of 4 plus 5? 9's square is 81. So look at number 3. It is given x plus y whole square. The value of x we have got 4 plus 5 whole square or 9 whole square, or it is 81. In this way we get the question number 9. For today you leave it till here. Next day I will be solving the next question. Till then keep practicing. Thank you.